Hi everyone. I hope you all are doing well. Today I am going to show you how to get free Google Play codes in 2021. To start, open your web browser, and go to the following site, gplaycode.live. I will also put a link in comment, for those who would like to have an easier way. Now you just need to follow some very simple steps. To start, enter your email address and then choose whether you want a free Google Play card or the Google Play Pass. Then click on Continue. Now we need to choose the value of the card. For this tutorial I will choose a card of $100, although it also works with other cards. Once we have chosen the amount of the card, we will press the button, then wait 30 seconds for the site to give us our free Google Play card. Then we will click on the verification button. This is an essential step if you want to have a completely free Google Play code. Now we can see a page with several applications. We will install 2 of them and do what it says, so that the site sends us our free Google Play code by email. I'm going to do the State of Survival offer to start with, because all we have to do is install it and open it for 30 seconds. We'll meet up when it's good.
A few moments later.
I've completed 2 offers. Now we're going to look at the email to see if we got our free Google Play code.
A few moments later.
I did receive my code. Now we will use it on my Google Play account to verify that it works. As you can see, the code worked and I did receive my $100 on my Google Play account. If you liked the video, feel free to like, comment and share it. See you soon.